Marcel Torres. Next number, 67324. 67324. Jenna Torres. Ruelito Mendoza. Last number, 76117. 76117. Ati Ambao. Kaya siyempre ang ilang bagong tuling, Season 2 ay handog kayo po sa ating susunod na magiging Congressman ang Senador, Congressman Mario Comoy Senador, katulong po ang ating
Starting at center, number 7, Kian Portanilla. Small forward, shooting guard, number 4, Ganan. Guard, number 28, Habal. Dalapaw Stamaraw, power forward, Reggie Perez. And season's MVP of Season 1, Brian Lester Lantano. And Adopti Munoz Water Bulas, starting lineup. Starting at small forward, number 15, Amiles. Center, number 20, Dalutan. Guard, number 14, Dakusan. Guard, number 36, Tawa. And finals MVP of Season 1, shooting guard, number 7, Tokaben. Isa na po sa mga nalantos sa mga lahat ng isang bago, Boy Salvador. Ito po ay labanan ng mga champion. And here we go! Champion David Portanilla and Galuta. And Munoz, basketball. William Somme, pass to Dawa. Dawa, pass to Dakusan. William Somme, Amiles, take a shot, no good. Lantano, Rodriguez. William Lantano, pass to Awal. Back to Lantano. Lantano, I don't think three, too strong. And step out of bounds. Here comes Tawang. Tawang next pass to the corner. Dakusan, no three. And no good for Rabuka. Galuta. First basket from Kim Munoz.
Eh, 1-2-2. Duelo ah.
Here comes the ball. Pass inside. Portanilla is strong move. And Michelle is good.
I said help. Help tayo.
First basket from Kim Munoz. Dakusan. Setting the pace, and swing to the left. Passing inside. Close range, and Michelle is denied. And Munoz take possession. Good sense to the shot clock. Here comes Sanchez. Pass outside to Abel. From rebound now. And here comes Luis. Here comes Havan. Havan 20 set, too strong. Here comes Dawa. Dawa is up. And there's another big division.
Kuya, play natin. Eh, apply natin. Eh. Apply tayo. Gitna, 1, dos.
Here comes the pass to Havan. Perez, 1-3, and miss the shot. Rebound by Dakusan.
Apply tayo, uno.
Dakusan second game. Set screen. Next to pass to Tokaben. Here comes Tokaben. And here comes Hanat. Mid-range shot. Pass is good. Michael Dakusan. Abang, here comes the Lopus Portanilla. And it's the way Dawa. Dawa on Perposos. And this time, Tokaben has a rebound for the Portanilla. And rebound by Galat.
Alat na, alat. Depensa na idol, bawi.
Here goes Danag. And Danag at the running pass to Lantano Pink. Lantano along with teammates. Extra pass outside. Habal corner 3. And too strong. Here comes to Ben. Pass to Dawang. Easy by Dawang. Ernest Dawang.
Ina!
Here comes Perez at the corner. And finishes good.
Number 2, number 2, number 2. Hati, hati, hati.
Kapusan saying play. Here comes Dawang brother. Raise up. Leading up again. Rebound by Habal. Habal pass to Lantano. Here goes Tanag Pig. Tanag, you step, raise up. But there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 20, holding foul. First personal foul, Galutan.
Erwin!
Basket at the first. And for the lead, all 6. Perfect on the line from Dada. Here comes Gamusa. Gamusa setting place in a screen by Dawang. Gamusa pass to Raven, corner. To Raven, pass to Alex short. And Batalon down for the Portuguese. And that's few minutes. Habal, here comes Salamos. Pontanilla, loose the ball, and steal. Gamusa. Gamusa, Dawang, is up. And Dawang goes. And this is number 3. Lantano. Anglesa. Catalan going. Rebound, one shot. Rebound, Montenegro. Pass to Lantano. Extra pass, Perez. Lob 2. Miss. Rebound by Galutan. Here comes Tove. Tove, here comes Saad. Catalan, grab. And miss. Dawang guarded by Gamusa. Dawang penetrate. Lays up is good. Dada, brother.
Wag mo na ba na bubuelo? Bakusan, wag mo na pinabubuelo.
And for the answer, Galutan. Tanag. Blows a 3. And 3. Dada. And for the lead, 11-10. 1 point lead. Team Lubao. Here comes Dawang.
Hati, hati, hati.
Set the screen for Galutan. Dawang bounce pass to Galutan. It's big. And answer is good.
Corner, corner, corner.
Galutan. Lantano. Lantano drive, lays up, and he puts it in. Here comes Dawang. Next pass to Loben, fires on 3. And Loben, 3.
Yan, lambot. Yung lambot ng harap.
Change the lead, 15-13. Here comes Habal to Lantano. Lantano with the ball. Set the screen by Perez. Lantano lost Perez. Here comes Lantano for the back. And lose the ball. And still to Loben with the ball. Here comes Gamusa.
Balik.
Gamusa and Catalan for the finish. Derek Catalan. Habal. And Habal long 2. Bouncing the ball, win it out. And Dawang grab the miss. Here comes Gamusa.
Pwesto, Galutan.
Gamusa carried by Habal. Gamusa baseline to Galutan. And there's a foul on the ball. You see number 4 pushing foul. Manzano going. And first personal foul, Tala. And basket reverse.
Hand up, nawawala yung hand up, hand up. Shit.
And perfect, contact. And timeout for Team Cubao. Mario, Hoy, Sarandon.
Gusto natin na yung hahatiin. Hindi pwede yan, hindi pwede. Ha? Hand up muna kayo, hand up. Hand up, hand up, hand up, bigayan. Hand up. Tapos may kakan dito, eto kaluwag. Pag pinuntahin yan, pwede pinambirahin ng tres. Kung kami, shot tayo. Basta ano, shot tayo. Hirap tayo sa loob, hirap tayo sa labas. Di ba? Matalit natin, matalit natin.
And back to the ball game. Williams Sabah. Awal, pasok na dadak drive, parang rin, and shot, for the putback. And Lupao with the interception. Ibang duel na, Williams Sabah kanina, back to Lantana, Williams Nanan. And there's a whistle, foul jersey number 2, hit na. First personal foul, Manzano. Galo na now, Hipolito, check in.
Isa lang sa'yo, isa lang yan, isa lang.
Here goes Santano again. 10 seconds from way down, short. And rebound by Kapusan.
Buelo, idol, buelo ha, buelo mo.
Here goes Jones on pass with the
Hey,
head.
hand up.
To Omen, to Manzano. There's a pass, Kapusan.
Ayun na, ayun na,
Here
ayun
goes
na.
Omen, to Omen. To Omen, the pass inside. Hipolito, and Gonzalez denied. By Cotalina. Here goes
Dalawa,
Sabah.
dalawa.
Abang pass from Tano. Lantano. And we get hit. Foul jersey number 3, blocking foul. First personal foul, Hipolito. Third team foul, Tim Munoz. And basket of the first, nothing but net. And last shot from Lantano. And the second one is no good. Here comes Kapusa. Pass to Manzano. To Omen. Here comes Omen. To Omen, drive. Here comes Lantano. Bounce pass outside. Kapusa for 3. Get it out. And there's a rebound by Hipolito. Hipolito there. Dribble. One shot. Papa. Ayup. To Omen now. And the trigger man, checking, Romy Sky. And they score 19-14, made by Munoz. Here comes the one pass to Lantano. Lantano, 10 seconds. Lantano, fake. Here comes Lantano, foul shot. And there's a foul jersey number 5, pushing foul. First personal foul, Catalan. Warning for penalty, Munoz. And short of the first. And same as good. Abal out, Perez out. Pagatuan and Basilio for the Sweets. Kapusa. Paso the trigger man.
Hand up, hand up.
Kapusa again, Manzano finds the 3. And he's strong, rebound by Basilio. Pass to the one. Here comes Lantano. Here to back. And lose the ball, still by Romy Sky. Paso Kapusan. Kapusan. And there's the result. The foul jersey number 13, Pushing Foul. First personal foul, Basilio. Third team foul, Kino Foul. And the reverse. And that's free throw by Wilson. And use of the second, to rebound, and point the ball back. 22-15, 7-point lead. Team Lubao, Team Munoz, rather. Pagatuan, according to Basilio, paso Dada. Here comes Dada. Dada attack the rain, he's up. And the shot is good. Kapusan. Here comes Marcial. Pass to the middle, Ray Porto. Here Porto for the jumper, miss. And over. Here comes the skip, pass to the ball. Pagagawa ko Lantano. Lantano take. Lantano reverse. And the shot is good. Kapusan, Marcial. Marcial also pass inside. And the over, Kapusan. Kapusan, 4-3.
Hey, yung harap natin! Harap, yung harap!
Last 55 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Basilio, here comes Pagatuan. After dropping, push the ball. And starting ball again. Covers team Basilio, Lantano.
Eh, Derek, taas kamay!
Lantano. And turnover.
Sab. Magsano ka magsano?
Mansanaw, Dawa, going in. That's 40 seconds for the first quarter. Dawa, excellent outside. And one pass turnover. 33 seconds on the game clock.
Last shot tayo, last shot! One stop!
Pagatuan. Basilio, here comes Talopus. Extra pass outside, bad pass. And
Hey, last shot tayo!
completion.
Okay,
He poured out to Moben. Check in.
last shot tayo, last shot!
21 seconds remaining for the first quarter.
Balik!
Dawa. 15 seconds on the game clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Robbie Scott. 3,
Go!
2 seconds. 2 seconds on the game clock. On the shot clock. 2 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds on the game clock. Rebound by Kanalan. And there's a foul call. Jersey number 48. And down out. Kapusan out. And no good in the first by Basilio.
Ano po?
And using the second, 5 seconds. Here comes Datan and Jerome Pava. Palipot Amelia. And that's the end of the first quarter. And the score, 25-21. For the team San Isidro Munoz. Water to us. to Habar. Habar pass to Lantano. Lantano ex-pass. Habar. Launch a three. Bang! Habar for three. Yakuza behind Lantano. Here comes Yakuza. Pass inside. Habar. Shot is up. On the break. And Steve Lantano pass to the bed. To the bed. To Manzano. And this is probably violation by Manzano. 37-29. And magdadagay mounting so Habar. Williams Sabat sa screen. Lantano again on three. Miss. Rebound by Kapusan. Tuto again. Wide open three.
Baba. Stay on front, ha?
Habar.
Bueno.
Williams Perez. Perez goes to and simply comes out. Here goes Manzano. Manzano. Oh! And this is it. Here comes Samal Pasodana. Dana trying. And there's a foul call. You're seeing number 7 holding foul. Dagan fake. Dagan fires a three. Miss. And rebound by Galutan. Here comes Yakuza. Pass to Manzano and Abraham Boyer is strong. Offensive rebound, Galutan. Here shot. Miss. And hand for the Dupa. And this is good. Habar set the play. To Egipto. Back to Habar. Lantano fake. Lantano bounce pass inside. Egipto lose the ball. And Galutan is still. Here comes Kapusa. Kapusa from down the lead. Miss. And there's a rebound pass to Kapusa again. Kapusa is up. And he's in. Habar around.
Time out po.
And timeout call. Team Munoz. 24 action. And back to the ball game. That's 2 minutes for the second quarter.
Sa atin.
Rebound by Toben.
Yes, go.
Three, miss. And rebound by Toben.
Ayun na, deny, Galutan, deny tayo.
Set the screen, Dagan, dropping. Lantano from way down, too strong. And for the putback. And he got hit. Foul to say number 15. Hit the hand. First personal foul, Aguiles. Warning for penalty. Team Munoz. And no good at the first. Second one is good. To open. From Pauline. Paso ng pano. Ikaw sa tama paso ba? One in shot.
Time out.
And this is good. Down in volume, Master Gokusa. Williams Patri, Alex, wide open three, and shot for Galuka. Galuka. 48-32. Lantano. Tumabal, Williams Gokus, Montaner, pass outside the backhand. And it's a three-piece. Dabang rebound, Williams Tawa. Tawa Maran, lost pass inside. And turnover. Habal to Lantano. Lantano, corner three, too strong. And one. Basket count. Foul using number 15. Second personal foul, Angeles, penalty. And perfect, 3 on the line. Here comes Tawa, 35 seconds on the game clock. Angeles and Gamusan. Gamusan just release. Here comes Lantano. Lantano drive and basket is good by Lantano. 15 seconds on the game clock. 10 seconds. Here comes the Gamusan play. Time! Gamusan leads. And that's the end of the second quarter. And they scored 48-57. Win by Sayan Zenia Munoz, Water, Bufalos. And here we go. Third quarter. 48-37. Portanilla against Galuka. Nice pass inside. Got movement. Coleman. Rain Coleman running. Rain. Grab pass. Angeles. Easily. Angeles. Here's Ryan to Reggie. Reggie. And there's foul. Number 15. Third personal foul, Angeles. Dada drive. And there's a foul call again. For jersey number 20. Galuka. Second personal foul. And the second team foul, Munoz. Naman, Dada wide open. March to score. Dawang still by Portanilla.
Tutoy, hindi pwede yun! Tutoy! Hindi pwede! Kanina pa!
Ryan Habal. Here comes Ian. Still by Dawang.
Ikaw! Tutoy! May pakatagilid daw! Tulak na!
And last is Scringer. Habal. Habal, number 2 from mid-range, good. And still, 11-point advantage, Munoz. Rain to Michael from Busan. Here comes the speed. Galuka miss. Habal, Ryan, Habal, still by Rain, 100% Portanilla off the window. Ernest Tawang to Kapusan. To Abel, to Tawang. Tawang to Michael. Launch the tray, short. Montanilla to Juan. Pass inside, Kian, back-to-back points. And the lead is up to 7. 50-43. Magandang opensa ng Lupao ngayong third quarter. Galutan from the strike. Bouncing, rebounding, and tip away from the outside. Comment. Ang NS will go to the bench. Mr. Excitement going in. Lantaro from the corner. Tokian from the lower post. Kian take a shot short. Galutan. Ray Coleman, wide open three. No good. Montanilla. Montanilla Lohan. Hakan. No good at the help. Dawang to Catalan. And Catalan. Finish the ball. Lantaro from way downtown. Too strong. Montanilla lower. Ayun.
Layon tumira, no? Buti walang pumapasok.
There the shot clock. Montanilla. To Perez. Perez to speed. And he scored out the window. Dawang wants the three. And there's a foul from the 3-point line, number 4. Hit the head. Third personal foul. Dada. And first shot good by Ernest Tawang. May 1,000 IQ pagdating sa basketball. And second throw is good to him. And perfect from the line, 3 out of 3. Tawang.
Ayos din. Parang nagtapos.
Lantaro. Perez. Behind. Still by Gapusan to Tawang. And back-to-back points. 5 straight point para kay Tawang. And leave away by Toamed. Mananatili po ang bola sa Lupao. Lantaro, way downtown. Nothing from the outside. At the break, down reverse. Good. 7 straight points para kay Tawang. Iba talaga ang IQ nito. Dada. Mahal. Mahal. General for 3. Tawang to Derek answer miss. Tawang. Catalan inside. Kicks outside. To Aren. No good. Gapusan. Pin away. Yes. Got it. Montanilla. Para pass. And Ayo is finished by
Basket lang tayo, basket! At,
Tokamen. Tokamen, wide open three. Yes, sir.
time on
Open
here,
three.
go!
And final goal. Yes, Lupao Reapers. And we're back to the ball game.
Magmaman.
And once again, they score 64-50. Beat by Team Science City of Muñoz. Here comes Sabay, passing side. Perez and Perez.
Dahan-dahan lang,
Passing steal.
dahan-dahan lang tayo, dahan-dahan lang, execute! Execute tayo, baba! Galaw,
Here comes
Kabel!
Tawang.
Kabel, huwag ka lang dyan to, Kabel!
Tawang setting the play. Pass to Tokaben. Tokaben for the answer. And yes, sir. Tokaben for three. Here comes Sabay. Set the screen by Haba. Haba, low release. Pass to Montano. Back to Haba again. Haba and three. Haba. Tawang penetrate lays up. And he lays it in. Wow, kalitan lang po ng score.
Kinekit tayo, kunin mo, kunin mo, kunin mo, kunin mo. Para di makapag-penetrate, sige,
Here
kunin
comes
mo!
Sabay. Set the screen.
Hey!
And steal. Here comes Tokaben. Pass to Gakusan. Gakusan step out wide open three. Hit it out. And come out. Play the talang.
Pagtawid, pagtawid, pagtawid!
Talang. Top defender. Pass to Haba. Here comes Sabay. Perez. Right. And puts it in. Tawang.
Kabel, galaw, tira!
Pass to Tokaben again. Libre, miss, not this time. And again, there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 3, holding foul. Galutan out. Yakuza now. Hiporto and Manzano for the Sweets. Second personal foul, Lantano. Here comes Dawa. And Dawa, do not jump for the two-spot. Rebound, rebound, Sabay. One-on-one defense of Balanchak, miss. And rebound by Dawa, rebounds Manzano. Manzano pass to Dawa.
Kabel!
Pass to Tokaben, fake.
Sa atin, sa atin!
Lantano out. Egipto going in.
Kabel, walang patol, walang patol!
Warning for second motion. Tokaben.
Init pa yung ulo mo dyan eh.
Catalan going for the receiver. Manzano.
Strike, strike.
Manzano, top of the key. Hilaw. Top of the Catalan. Miss. And rebound by Abad. Here comes Abad. Pass to Perez. Perez. Pass inside. Abad over. Top of the key. Bang!
Rep, Kabel!
Abad for three.
Alam mo tanga!
Manzano. To Tokaben. Back to Manzano. Here comes Manzano. Step back. And there's
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
ice ball.
Hey, hey, labas, labas! Dadam! Huwag yung papatulang eh. 11.
And there's a sportsmanlike foul for jersey number 3, Polito, for excessive using of swinging of elbow. And 3 minutes sitting on the bench. Ang Lubao ay may 2 shot plus ball possession. 3 minutes sitting on the bench, Hipolito.
Wala second motion. Kabila, ama. Yan, ring namin yan. Second motion, kabila. Wala second motion. Kabila, kabila.
Basket. Like the first shot.
Yan, iPhone yan, di ba? Ano?
Then we will save one plus ball possession. And all the way there, plus one. Padang, William Stana, Australian set, and Waku. And basket deep from Padang.
Arang, ano?
William Stawang. Dawang setting to play. Paso Manzano. Manzano, open 3. Missed and by the way rebound. But there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 25 hit the hand. And ball out. Hawal out. First personal foul, Haka. And basket in the first. Last free throw by Catalan. And perfect on the line. 73-63. Lead by San Isidro Munoz. 1 minute 15 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Tanan. Sarah Craig for the third pass over number 1. Peter Frank for third piece. Pass it off. Dawang Higgins to Abel and the break. Miss off the target. And rebound by Haka. Pass to Dela. Higgins Salang and there's a foul ball. Jersey number 24. 36. First personal foul, Dawa, warning for penalty. Sayang Sila Munoz. 54 seconds on the game clock. 18 seconds on the shot clock.
Dinakdak eh, no?
Pagkabang back to Dada. William Strada. Floater and basket. 42. William Sokobet. Kagalan drive Manzano, and this is good, Manzano. 30 seconds on the game clock. Pagkagawa, nalasyon by Manzano. Bilang Sokobet. And Russo, position number 2, holding foul. Penalty. Second personal foul, Manzano. And 2 shot will be given to Pagkagawa. This is the first. Second one is good. 19 seconds. 15 seconds left. Here comes now pass to Gomez. 10 seconds. 5. To Gomez. And that's the end of the third quarter and the score 78-66. And what will be for final quarter and last 10 minutes in action.
Hindi gumagana si ano. Tano. Si Dagat, hindi gano'ng gumagana.
Tawag yung voting pass
Fourth
Manzano.
quarter baka.
Reels Manzano.
Gumagana eh.
Sets a screen by Catalan. Manzano setting the play. Buemelo. Mid-range shot. And passing is good. Another pass inside. And Stephen Gobert. Two-way pass to Manzano. Manzano is up. And we have hit. Foul using number 13, pushing foul. Second personal foul, Basilio. Good to the first, Abrahamo. And last free throw, and Corbin to the line.
Ayun ka kasi. Ayan, harap natin na, harap. Sado, Michael, pagtawid, kunin mo. Pagtawid.
And the score 82-66. Munoz for the lead. Alpar. Leo Yuval. And Wabagawa. Here comes down, bounce pass. Down again. Down, Buelo. Pass inside. Reverse is up. Miss. And rebound by Manzano. Manzano wants a three. Manzano three. 85-66. Exibas outside Davao. Good answer. And Manzano. Davao again. And Stephen Dada. Pontalia, feet.
Toy, sakit. Ang bakulaw niya, no?
Okay, mga kaibigan, here's the decision. There's a regular foul for jersey number 36, Dawa. And unsportsmanlike foul for jersey number 7, Fontanilla. Bibigyan muna ng dalawang free throw si Mr. Fontanilla dahil sa natanggap niyang foul mula kay Kama. Dahil lack of shooting. While Demonios will be given 2 shots plus 4 possession for the unscore.
Pasal Bunga Trier, Kulang Bunaya. score for Manila. 2 minutes to go to the bench. And second personal foul, Dawang.
Na-report na kanina, nasabi na. Na-report na kanina, nasabi na yung situation. Delaying the game tayo.
Hindi na tayo delay. Ayos ka na ba ito? Ayos na eh.
Magkano ba mag-uno? Magkano? Wala pa natin yan.
Second one is good, no good. And plus ball possession.
Toy! Toy!
Nels within the possession.
Toy! Toy!
14 seconds on the shot clock. Dawang, pass to Manzano.
Pwesto! Tukabeng! Galaw! Tukabeng! Tukabeng!
Bilas
Galaw!
Manzano. Manzano penetrate. Ingat lang ang mga malalaki. Kay Manzano. Lantano. Tries to lead.
Kabutas din.
Lantano 3. 88-70.
Aiso! Aiso! Aiso!
Points for the lead. Dawang, holding the Lantano. Pass to Manzano. 10 seconds. And Steve Bayabal. Williams Lantano. Throw line.
Time out, time out, time out.
And time out goal. Two, San, 0 minutes. And back to the ball game.
Hey, isa lang ang Aiso!
Williams Manzano.
Derek! Derek! Derek!
Manzano.
Ay!
Nakawala. It's Bill. Wow. Wala na kapatid ang passing si Manzano. Small but tempo. Now wait on now. And Manzano like a bit now. It's from good. And that gets the bucket.
Dahan lang! Dahan! Dahan lang! Baba mo, Idol! Baba mo! Baba mo! Derek! Walang sprint!
Manzano.
Yan na! Yan na! Eh! Walang
Manzano
sprint!
dito. Sa the screen by Brano. Ito na naman si Manzano. Mabilo naman. Ayan na naman. Leading out. And ito ang may umasan. And Liz. Offensive final. Ganun na Liz. And Gomez pass on Brano.
Baba! Derek! Baba! Yan na! Sa ano?
Lantano. And that's 3 minutes. Fifteen seconds on the shot clock. Williams the ball, going to the receiver, Lantano. Lantano loves the field. And Liz. For the rebound, Gausan. Gausan with the ball.
Ikaw naman! Ikaw naman! Aiso! Ikaw naman! Ikaw naman! Eh! Ano?
Gausan to Manzano. Manzano wide open three. Nakakakuha points mula kay Mr. Manzano. Haman for Manzano and three.
Galing yung kamay niya, ano?
Williams, Dawang.
Aiso!
Dawang, set the screen by Abrano. Pass to Miller, Abrano, pull-up jumper. And there's a result. Foul using number 4, pushing foul. And warning for 5 foul, Dada. And the score 93-77 in favor of Sayan City Muñoz. And last 6 minutes, 12 seconds for the final quarter. And Abrano, basket on the first. And Curry on the line. And tackle goal, Team Cubao Reapers.
Hey, si Kuntoy, ikaw, Lodi Kuntoy, ikaw dito. Mag-ISO tayo. Hindi sa gitna, dito tayo sa wing. Hey, Derek, dito tayo, Derek. Kuya JM, Mansano. Oh, dito, strong side, kaliwa. Oh, dito, palit. Tapos Derek, dito ka, Lodi, Derek. Basta paluwangin natin si Abra. Tapos si Kuya JM. Saka si Mansano dito, si Kuya Mansano. Yan lang, oh, naka-line. Tapos isa dito, Derek, yung number 5 natin. Isolation tayo. Ganun lang, basic. Pag may tumulong, bigay. Pag may tumulong, bigay. Nasa iyo, boy. First option ka. First option ka, Kuntoy.
Once again, they score 95-77. And last 6 minutes, 30 seconds remaining for the final quarter.
Eh, maya mo lang.
Here comes Santano. Santano driving to Mansano. Flying and there's a result. Foul is in number 2, pushing foul. Third personal foul, Mansano. And two people will be given to Mr. Santano. And with the first. And number 9, Santano.
Ayop na to.
And you got Santano. And turnover.
Bawi. Defense guy, bawi.
And Lucao will take the possession. Santana. Set the screen to Basilio. Santana. Catch on green. And this. Williams Manzano run pass to Dawang Katalan. And this is good. Katalan. And yes, basketball. Last is Steve.
Strong side.
Here comes Tawang. Tawang drive, lays up, and that is good. Lantano to pass. Here comes Basilio. SMS outside the ball. 10 seconds. Here comes Saman, double the key. And ball again. Here comes Kizon.
Baba.
To Manzano. Here comes Dawang, pass to Abrahano. And using the board by Abrahano. Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Team Muñoz.
Isa pa Mansano. Kaya.
Here comes Perez, lays up. And Luciano. Passing down. Fouls number 2, pushing foul.
Layo ah.
And warning for 5 foul, Manzano. And ball shot. They will do the 3-point play. Perez. Here comes Gamusa. Gamusa.
And there's a disqualifying foul for jersey number 13, Basilio. And Basilio is out of the game. And there's a basket count plus 1 free throw para kay Gakusan. Again, Basilio is out of the game.
And there's a one shot from Gakusan. And basket. That's one possession. Munoz.
Gakusan, Dre, pasab-sab.
Gakusan out. To open. Check in.
Alam ko ba si Basilio?
Here comes Manzano. Manzano, guarding by one, 8 seconds. Tries a three, and undesigned. Rebound by Quezon. Pass on Manzano. Extra pass. Habang Mendoza. And that's not Steve Munoz. And rebound being possession.
Maayos naman nila yan.
Habang of three, please. Habang of please. Pass on the line. Williams to Omen. To Omen, to Manzano. To Dawang. Williams to Omen, Dali Blaze, ikot na lang. And timeout goal, Team Lupao. And once again, to the final quarter. Here comes Shania, drive is up. And there is lead. Dawang pass inside, Abrahamo. Bolades to Alem. Here comes Alem. Pass goes in, pass outside. Launch a three, please. And rebound by Bolades, step up. Here comes Alem Kumanay, Tusro, and Pagla. Or Villa. Time on your side, Sinodios. And we're back. To Omen Mounting, pass to Manzano. Manzano pass to Dawang. Dawang, no motivates, pass to the middle. Jadulan, miss. And targets the number 7, pushing power. Go away now. Tawanan going in. Williams Valdez. And using the glass. Dawang, pass to Manzano. Manzano again, rebound shot. And three. Manzano. Valdez. And still, there's a good foul. There's a number 14, Valdez. Penalty. First personal foul, Valdez. And the score 111-19. And last 2 minutes, 28 seconds remaining. And good at the first. Pilipinas Basketball. And Steve Beglaya, wow. And there's the Beglaya. Manzano. Williams Tower, last 2 minutes. And out of bounds. Here comes the steal. Tawa, pull up, and the shot is good. Bumalay. Pass to Orvilla, miss. Valdez, elbow shot. Miss again. Rebound by Catalan. Catalan pass to Tawang. Tawang easy layup. Two step. Next pass Valdez. Valdez run. And this one for the Duka. Orvilla. Here goes Manzano. And there's a whistle. Foul is number 14, pushing foul. Second personal foul, Valdez. Penalty. And go to the first. Perfect on the line by Manzano. Bumalay para sa Valdez. That's 1 minute. And Steve Beglaya to Dawang. Dawang, easy 2 points. And it's set. And that's the end of the regulation. And the final score 120-96. Rated by Zion Junior Munoz. Walker Bufalos. And there's the best player of the game. He contributed 24 points, 9 rebounds, 11 assists, 2 steals. Double stats. And best player of the game, jersey number 36, Agnes Tawa. Mr. Tawa, magiging mga fans. Double stats.
Pinabati ko po sa inyo yung Boboy. Tsaka po player namin sa inyo, namin yung kaya po sa baso nito. Siyempre, pinabati ko rin po yung explorer. Champion rin po rin ko, champion rin po rin ko, champion po ako. Siyempre, yung explorer, sinabi ng explorer ko dyan, hindi na kaya, champion po yung bunda. Please rewards, kaya po kayo makapagpagan sa
Thank you sa pagbati.
And once again,
sa ating may champion, baby champion po siya.
and once again, best player of the game, Mr. Agnes Tawa. And congratulations to the winning teams tonight. Next game between Team Ganera and Team Pandamangan will be held on July 24.